The unthinkable is happening. The U.S. China trade truce isn't just fragile, it's crumbling. And this isn't just about tariffs anymore. We're watching a financial standoff that could shake the global economy to its core. So how did we end up here? Let's break it down. At first, it was all about tariffs. The U.S. cranked up levies on Chinese goods to an eye-watering 145%. China hit back with 125% tariffs of their own. But it didn't stop there. Markets panicked. President Trump rushed to exempt smartphones and computers after stocks tanked and borrowing costs soared. But the escalation didn't stop with taxes on imported goods. We're now deep into a tech war. Massive U.S. bans targeting Chinese industries, blocking access to advanced technology, and squeezing China's biggest economic engines. Meanwhile, Washington is playing with fire, floating capital control threats that could limit China's access to U.S. investment altogether. China isn't just watching. They've slammed the brakes on exporting rare earths, critical stuff for everything from F-35 jets to electric cars. The U.S. can't quickly find alternatives, leaving entire industries on edge. The result? Financial markets are in turmoil. Bond yields are surging, making it more expensive for everyone, businesses, homeowners, even the government, to borrow money. Investors are nervous, the dollar's been selling off and American banks are under pressure. U.S. allies are starting to rethink their financial ties, hedging their bets and de-risking wherever they can. Let's talk about the real pain points. In China, Xi Jinping's government can absorb a lot of economic pain without much public dissent. In the U.S., it's different. Market turmoil and rising borrowing costs force the White House to blink first. The stakes? Massive. We're talking about $438 billion in U.S. imports from China, over 930,000 American jobs tied to exports, and the U.S. dollar as the cornerstone of global finance. So here's the big question. What collapses first? Global trade, trust between the world's superpowers, or the dollar's dominance? This isn't just a battle of policy, it's a showdown with consequences for every one of us. What do you think? Will trade snap, trust shatter, or the dollar stumble? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives on global finance.